Hello friends, family, fellow submariners and campers. This is your humble captain at a decision point. Either I go back to Highway 101 or I try to go to Graves Creek Ranger Campground, 6 miles away. I wouldn't have hesitated, but this is the sign. Unsuitable for buses, trailers, and RVs. So, the question is, will the Nautilus make it or not? What could possibly go wrong? I'll give it a shot. If you ever want a very, very remote campsite, I suggest this campsite. Here's the view from the Nautilus's parking spot. You can hear the river just over in that direction. The road getting here was absolutely terrible. Washboard, and it was not recommended for RVs, especially anything longer than 22.5 feet. Trailers, or anything of an extended length. There's no potable water, and there are only porta potties for toilet facilities. Besides the only $20 fee per night, you've got this creek running right through the side of the campground. Your site is in the upper teens. It's right in your backyard. The Nautilus happens to be docked in number 16 for the night. Till we meet again, God bless you all.